Now then, first I'll show you to my house.
What are you talking about, geezer sage? No matter how much time we've got, it's not enough. Let's hurry up and start the training.
Come on, Naruto. There's no need to rush.
I didn't come here to play, you know. I came here to get stronger.
This boy. That's true. All right then, let's begin your training.
That's more like it.
We'll start by getting you accustomed to this environment.
Huh? Accustomed to?
Right. Mount Myoboku is a bit different. If you don't get used to it, even the most simple movements will wear you down terribly.
Huh. I can't feel anything like that.
Well, move around a bit and you'll see.
Huh? What's this?
They're fakes I created with my jutsu. I can promise you they're strong, though. Have a match with them, and get yourself accustomed to this environment as quickly as you can. That's your...
Go! Sorry to keep you waiting. Here it comes! Here I come! Oh no! My God! Here Great! I win! I did beat him, but my body feels super heavy.
That's Mount Myoboku's unique environment. You see what I meant now, don't you? Still, he did unbelievably well on his first time. This boy is made of some real interesting stuff.
What's next?
A break. I doubt you can even move now.
No, I'm still good.
For now, rest.
Pain.
Is everything ready?
Yes. What about you?
I've already finished my preparations. There were no problems.
I see.
Still, that's just what I'd expect from my former teacher. With that single attack, he managed to render one of my bodies unusable.
However, even that was nothing more than a temporary setback.
Yes. All right. Here we go. Destroy all ninja who interfere.
Understood.
Good. We're heading out to the Hidden Leaf Village.
Man, did I sleep good! Okay, I'm gonna do my best in today's training, too!
Well, before we start that, there's something I want to confirm. You've been here a few days now. How are you feeling, boy?
Well, I'm not feeling as tired as I did at first. My body seems real light now.
I see. Then apparently the training's going well. Your body's adapting to the environment. In other words, it means you've begun to acquire natural energy.
Natural energy?
Right. You know that ninjutsu uses mental energy and physical energy from your own body, right?
Yeah?
In contrast, energy you acquire from the outside is called natural energy. Once you've mastered it, you'll be able to use Sage Jutsu, which is far more powerful than ninjutsu. When you begin to use Sage Jutsu for the first time, you'll reach the status of Sage.
A sage. That just makes me want to work even harder.
Natural energy also acts to re-energize your body. That's why your body is doing so well, boy.
Whoa, natural energy is awesome!
But you've only just gotten used to it. Keep on training.
Master the use of natural energy. Got it. Nope.
All right. Then let's start today's training. When you're ready, come to the training field over there.
Will do.
Ah, there you are.
Okay.
All right. But your opponent...
Huh? Perfect.
That's right. Your next opponent is your teacher, Jiraiya boy. Of course, but that's a luxury now. You have a duty to fulfill.
Yeah,
Show me your power. Surpass Jiraiya boy.
This is perfect. I was just thinking I'd have to surpass you someday, Pervy Sage. The guy in front of me may be a fake, but I'm gonna hit him with everything I've got.
What splendid eyes. It looks like I was worried over nothing.
Here I come, Pervy Sage! Go! Eat Looks like the results of my training are starting to show a bit.
You did it.
The pervy sage I carry inside me is way stronger. He'd never go down that easy. I'm still a long way from being able to beat him. Gonna get way, way stronger. If I don't, I'll never catch up to him.
Easy to say, but your training is only going to get tougher from here on in, you know. Tough enough that quitting will seem like a great idea.
I've made up my mind. I'm gonna get stronger and avenge Pervy Sage. I know that's my ninja way!
Grit that just won't give up. He's exactly what I'd expect from Jiraiya Boy's student. Well said. All right then. Let's begin the next lesson.
That ends our joint mission.
Yes, of course. Thank you for coming all the way from the Hidden Leaf Village.
No, it was nothing. Whoop. Phew. That ends the mission. Let's hurry and get back to the Hidden Leaf Village.